it's a love movie, like they spent throughout the 20 years. No, that's too cheesy. Yeah, that's too cheesy for me. I'm Xun. I'm one of the engineering directors at Stok. I'm managing zero carbon and electrification projects. I'm originally from China, a coastal city called Dalian. And I came to the United States in 2005, and I've been traveling from the east to the west coast in the past 15 years, and finally settled down in San Diego. I like hiking. I love hiking along the coast of San Diego to see the different terrains and cactus and sunshine, and it's so lovely. This is a lovely city. We call it building performance modeling, which is not only energy modeling, but it has all different types of modeling for buildings, like daylighting modelings, climate analysis, to help with design optimized design options. So that whole chunk of suite of technical tools I use. I also do some well consultants, like LEED certification, well certification, Living Future Challenge, and also energy audits stuff, like to actually visit the site of existing buildings and figure out if there's any energy conservation measures we can propose to improve the efficiency of buildings. I'm a person that likes challenges and want to explore new things, and if I keep doing the same thing, I get bored easily. So for existing buildings, there are constraints, like either like a physical, spatial constraints, like existing electrical panel capacity constraints. So we'll do a site survey to examine all these kind of constraints, and if it's feasible, to see what's the best and the most feasible solutions to swap up the existing gas-fired equipment on site to electric. First of all, so we have the gas boilers, gas heaters over there. So there are two options to swap up those gas-fired equipment. One is electric resistance equipment. The other is the heat pump options. So we prefer to use heat pump options for the electrification, because heat pump is 3 to 5 times more efficient than gas-fired and electric resistance option, but it's more expensive. So it's probably 3, 4, 5 times more expensive than electric resistance option. But but the operational cost for heat pumps is much more efficient. So the added electrical bills because of adding new electrical equipment actually is much less than electric resistance options, and comparable to what the building is currently consuming. The sustainability leader of the County of San Diego was talking about their next step of their zero carbon plan across the county portfolio. So they were focusing on zero energy at the beginning. Now they're switching to zero carbon, which the first thing is electrification, because only electrification can lead the building to zero carbon. So I think the electrification has a bright future in the end, and the state of California is pushing towards it.